Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am super excited about today's video. I'll be sharing with you guys an amazing software company called Marq Vision. With their mobile app, retailers like you and I can record high quality packaging videos to verify outbound transactions and protect retailers from costly disputes. Marq Vision is an all-based fulfillment software company that brings greater trust and transparency to online sales experience that we currently don't have. And if you want to learn, right, how you could protect yourself as a retailer when selling high-value products, how to lower fraudulent claims, how to decrease return rates, make sure that you watch all the way to the end. I know that for many of us who sell online, our main concerns are lost packages, customers who claim the item came broken, unnecessary questions about the order status or the tracking information, getting occasional fraudulent claims, especially on high-ticketed price items like jewelry. With Marq Vision verification system, in 3 simple steps, you're able to create a high quality HD video in real time documenting the packaging process that is sent to your customer. I mean, just imagine that you're able to take your package, you're able to record the actual item, showcase that the item is coming full tack, like is not broken, everything is beautifully how you made it. You're able to package it and record this whole process for your customer. I mean, this is mind-blowing. You're able to provide amazing customer experience. You're able to grow your brand awareness since Marq Vision lets you add your brand logo, and you're giving buyers reassurance of their purchase since it's marked with timestamps. And this is really good, especially if you're starting out as a new company, that you don't have that trustworthiness with customers. This is really going to help you stand out from your competition and also build brand awareness. So just keep that in mind. I wanted to show you a quick video that shows you the process and how simple it is. So let's take a look at that. So this is a short video that shows you the process of the packaging. So let's say this is the item that you're going to sell. I like how they did it because they showcase the actual product. And as you can see, it's intact, it's beautiful, it's not broken. And then you wrap it, and then you close the box, put whatever branding elements, anything you have to put inside of it. Put the shipping, it records the shipping, the address, everything. And this is what the customer will get. And it's just mind-blowing to me. There are many benefits for using Marq Vision. The main one is growing brand awareness, reducing false claims, right? Because nowadays there's a lot of people that claim false claims just to keep packages. You're able to stand out from your competitors. There's barely anyone out there doing this. You will reduce your return rates, decrease fraudulent claims. Like I said in the beginning, especially for luxury products, or if you sell high value products that are very expensive, this is a really great way to protect yourself as a company. It's easy to use, and the dashboard is very easy to follow as well. Real-time video monitoring, that's really important. And then marketing analytics that comes with it as well, plus many more benefits. But it is just mind-blowing. And this is basically what the customer will see in the process when they get the video. But this is like the actual page right here. So in your dashboard, from your dashboard, you will be able to do a branded marketing page unique to your company. So you could integrate banners and links, and this is going to also help you not increase your sales and also increase your repeat customers, because customers are going to be blown away. They might even share this experience with other people because it is so different and out of the box. And so this is just an example that they use for Chanel, but you will put your logo here. You will put your banner up here. You will put your marketing banner so you can actually have your product with your logo next to it. And this is what customers would get. They would get the video of you packaging your beautiful package, the process of it, the tracking information. So it's really, really cool. I think I love it for many reasons, not only for the security as a seller, but also for the brand awareness, to stand out from my competition and to get those repeated customers to come back again. It's very simple process to get started. I'm going to leave the link below in the comment section of this website so you could get more knowledgeable with the product. But all you really have to do is, whether you have an iPhone or Android, you would download the app. You will search it. It's called Marq Vision. You'll see it right here. And you will search for Marq Vision. You would download it to your phone. If you already heard of them before and you already have an account, you could just sign in and start recording. However, if it's your first time, you will need to create an account. It's on the bottom of the phone. It will tell you sign up. You sign up for the account, and then from there you're able to start recording right away. I highly do recommend that you purchase a camera holder. They have one that they recommend from Amazon, which is really, really cheap, and it looks beautiful, which is this one here. So I will leave that link also below in the comment section, so you guys could go ahead and get it today if you wanted to go ahead and get started with this process. But you could start recording today, and they give you 50 uploads for free. No hidden fees. You don't need a credit card. You could just get started right away. So I highly recommend at least trying it out to see if it's something that you would like to start using and incorporating for your business. And therefore, if you do end up loving it, then you could always upgrade to one of their other packages, which you could find more information on the pricing. But this is an amazing, amazing tool. And it was something that I had to share with everyone because as a retailer, as an e-commerce seller, making sure that I have my own security, especially when you're mailing out packages and people claim, oh, this came broken, or this didn't come on time, or it got lost. All this is going to really, really help you with those disputes, especially with people that are doing fraudulent claims. This will actually lower your fraudulent claims because they're not going to want to do business with you because you have this set up, right? And they know they can't get away with it. So just keep that in mind. It's an amazing company. Make sure you check them out today. Go to their site, download the app, and just play around with it and see how you like it. Let me know in the comment section if you have any questions about Marq Vision. I would be more than happy to answer any questions you guys may have. And thank you so much for watching.